as it turns out, we are all energy. Our physical body looks solid, but it's really just dense energy. And we have two energy message receivers in the brain. One is the hypothalamus and one is the pineal gland. And our spine is the antenna. And scientists have confirmed that the double helix in the DNA has magnetic properties. Our DNA, that's pretty much all of us, right? We were designed, our physical body was designed to attract energetic messages so that we can protect our human home and reach our purpose. Since all we are is energy, we also have an energy body. I think most people are familiar with the chakras. Each chakra is an energetic stargate that opens up to the cosmos and the universal field of intelligence. And it's no coincidence that these 7 are aligned along the spine. They're like little satellite dishes, drawing in energetic messages, working in tandem with our antenna. And we have more than these 7. We have 700 plus chakras. 700 little energy satellites drawing in information. If you consider Chinese medicine, every acupuncture location is a chakra. And what the acupuncturist is doing is, with that needle, the needle is serving as a little dedicated antenna, because when we are sick or injured, our antenna and receivers aren't working properly. So she's trying to get information into every chakra and clear the blockage. That's what causes health. What blocks our flow, our meridians, our flow of chi? What blocks our chakras? Well, it's misaligned beliefs, like it's not okay to be highly sensitive in the world and just be myself. Or it's all the issues that we've experienced during our lifetime and we're still hanging on to a little bit. Or when our protective energy system starts getting compromised, other people's energy gets in. And that is not right for us. We have our own energy. All of those things block our energy and message receivers. Little by little, over time, and illness occurs.